Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use massing to create an undulating compound filling like this. And at the end of this video, you will learn how to be able to create an undulating ground form like this. And without wasting your time, let's get started. If you look at this layout now, you see that the grass is just flat and it makes it unrealistic because in nature you can never see a compound that is completely flat like this. So what I want to do now is I want to elevate this part. I want to raise all these parts that are a little bit away from the building. I will raise all these parts like this. I'll raise all here. I'll raise all this place. Raise here. I am going to use massing. So what I will do now is to create reference plane. I'm going to create one reference plane here and create another reference plane here and create another one somewhere here. And like that. Then I'm going to create another set of reference plane and I want to make sure, let me add another one. Let them be 5 and I'm going to add dimension to make sure they are on equal distance. Let me move this one. Let me remove this dimension. Yes, on constraint. Okay, so that is that. I am going to name this reference plane. If I select it now, you see I can actually name it. I'll name it as 1. Then I'll name this one as 2. I'll name this one as 3. Then I'll name this one as 4. And name this one as 5. Okay. Then I'm going to go to approach view. And create another reference plane. This first one is going to be on level 0. It's going to be on level 1. That is at 0 level. Then I'm going to have another one that is, okay, let's say I want the highest points of my compound filling to be at the height of, let's say, the height of 700 mm. And I'm going to add more reference plane in the middle here. I'm going to add another one here. I'm going to add another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5 now. F5. This one should come down a little bit. Okay. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go to Architecture tab, select Components, select Model in Place, and select Mass. Click OK. Close this. Let's name it as Elevated Area and click OK. Then I am going to select Line and pick one of those reference plane that we have just created. I'm going to pick reference plane 1 and click OK. So I'm going to, for this first one, is going to be on level 1, which is 0 level, and is completely flat. Okay, but the second one, I'm going to pick spline so that it's not going to be completely flat. And I'm going to start at the second reference plane, and it will be going up and down around this reference plane. When I come here, I am going to go to 0 at this point. Then I'm going to go flat till here. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go up and come down so that it will be revolving around this reference plane, and I will go up, come down a little bit. I don't want it to be flat. That is the idea. So I'll finish it on this level and press escape to finish it. I'll pick another one. Another one should be on level 3, on reference plane 3. And I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to come down and go up and come down again, then come down to level 0, and maintain level 0, and maintain level 0 till this point. And I'm going to go up, come down a little bit, come down and go up, come down, go up, and I'm going to stop it here and press escape. Then this particular one is going to be on level 4, and I'm going to start from here and go up a little bit, Okay, so I'm going to pick another one, and this one is going to be on level 4. This one is going to be on reference plane 4, and I'm going to do it here. I'll go up a little bit. I'm going to pick another one, and I'm going to do this on reference plane 4. I start from here and I go up, I come down, I go up again, I do it here, I go up, and at this point I'm going to come down to level 2. Reference, I'm going to go to level, and I can maintain this level, till this point, maintain the same level. Then I will start going up gradually, and not maintaining a straight line, and come down, I'm not maintaining a straight line, and stop on this level and press escape. Then I'm going to do the last one on reference plane 5, and I start from the last line there and come down a little bit and go up and maintain that level, because that place is actually high, and we'll go like that, not maintaining a straight line. Within that, it should be, the wave should go around that reference plane, and I'm going to finish it here and press escape. Then let's look at it in 3D. Oh, let's go back. One of those lines is supposed to be on level 2. Let's figure it out. Okay, this is supposed to be on reference plane 2. So I'm going to take it to reference plane 2, and let's go to 3D. Okay, so it's now on reference plane 2 now. Okay, so I'm going to select all those lines, and if you check, you see that there are actually 5. what I'll do now is, while they are selected, I'm going to click on create form. You can see a form has been created. You can see. Okay, so what I'll do now is I need to create another line that will open this place. I want to create another line. Oh, there's an error here. There's an error here, so let's undo that. Let's undo that. And let's remove this one. And this is on reference plane 2. Okay, so let's go back to our approach view and select spline again, and let's pick reference plane 2 and start from here and just walk around the second reference plane, and at this point I'll go to 0 and maintain 0, maintain 0, and go up a little bit, go up again and come down, and not just being straight, up and down, up and down. And I'll be going like that and press escape to finish it. And let's go back to 3D, and if I select all the line now, you'll see that the lines are actually 5, okay, which is okay. So I'm going to click on create form. We have a perfect form now, and we have undulating compound filling, and that is what we want. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I want to open this place up, because at the end of the day I'm going to turn this material to grass, and I don't want grass to be growing inside the pavement. So I want to open this place up, and the method I will use to open it up is to go to level 1 and pick line, and I'm going to pick where I have my curb here. Cannot see this line again. Okay, let's no. Let's select hidden line. Still, let's select wireframe. Okay, and let's pick our line. Let's pick our line. And we are done picking the lines. Then I'm going to select a straight line, and like that, I'm going to use trim to connect them. And let's go to 3D and select this line. Then while the line is selected, click on this drop down and select void form. Okay, and we can drag this one down a little bit. And we are going to click on cut, and you can see it has cut this form so that we don't have any grass growing somewhere here. And let's finish it. Mask contains only mesh geometry which can't be used to compute mass floors, volume, or surface area. Okay, we are going to apply, let's apply floor to it and see whether it's going to work. Let's apply floor to it, whether it's going to work. Floor by face. It's not selecting it, so let's exit and let me pick wall and see. I'll pick wall by face and duplicate it. Name it as grass and click OK. Click OK again. Then select for the material. I'm going to select grass lawn, and on the cut pattern color, it's okay. Then click OK. Click OK again. Click OK. Click OK. Then you make sure that this pick face is selected, and I'm going to pick this face. And boom, it's done. We now have our undulating compound area. Perfect. Okay, yeah, perfect. So that is how you can create your undulating compound filling. And I hope you benefit something from this video. If you do, make sure you give me a video testimonial, and I will appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.